Hello everybody, welcome to episode 2 of Cook for Your Wife. Tonight we're going to do grilled chicken breasts on my gas grill here, and we're going to put them with a cucumber tomato side, and that's it. That's pretty much simple. So I took some boneless skinless chicken breasts and I cut off any of the fat and skin that I did not want, and then I cut them in half and made big thick tenders out of them, and then I have them with a little oil on them, seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and I've let that set for about a half an hour, and I got my grill nice and warmed up, and I'm getting ready to put them on the grill now. So here we go. Real simple, nice and easy. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. I'll get these cooking. So I got one big package of chicken breasts, and as you can see, it makes 10 big huge tenders. So that will give my wife and I 5 meals each. So we decided that we were going to make, like I said, cucumber and tomato for our vegetable. Sorry, lost my train of thought trying to do the grill. And there we go. So we put them on there, and I'm going to close the lid and let them cook for a few minutes. I'm not going to bore you with cooking them all the time, but every time I open the lid to look at them, I will show you what's going on. And I just put them on like that, let them cook for 5 or 6 minutes, get them nice and hot, get the lines put on there, and then we'll flip them and we'll cook them until they're done. I'll be right back. Okay, hang tight. We're back. Time to lift the lid and do the first check and turn. Oh yeah, it's ready. Oh yeah. Get that turned over. Oh, if you could smell this right now. So like I said, we're doing tomato and cucumbers. And that's a quarter cup of sugar, quarter cup of oil, half a cup of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we dice up the cucumbers, or slice the cucumbers and slice the tomatoes. We dice up some onion and dice up a little bell pepper, and we mix it all up, pour it all in there, and just let it set. And we're pretty good to go. All right, I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back for another check of this chicken as it's cooking. Okay, hang tight, guys. All right, we're back. So I have turned the chicken. It's looking really good. It's getting nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to start basting the barbecue sauce on and get that to caramelize on there. That's the way we like it. Putting it on there real generously with my little basting brush here, if it'll cooperate with me. Oh, it was a long day at work today. Nice and hot. I'm sure everybody was hot that I had to work with. I was hot. But it's nice and cool out right now. But we got a storm blowing in. So that's always fun. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder in the background or not with this chicken sizzling. I'm going to give you a little pan of our front yard here in a minute, and let you check out our front yard and see the clouds rolling in. You just have to forgive the camera shake. Okay, so there's the first coating of barbecue sauce. We're going to let that just cook into this chicken. Oh my gosh, makes you want to slap your mama. All right, close that and let me give you a little pan here. If I can do this gently. All right, here we go. Yeah, as you can see, this is our front yard from our porch, and you can see the trees moving around. Clouds look pretty good over there. It's just over here behind all these trees, it's really, really dark. Gonna pour down on us. So it's making it nice and cool though. It's feeling good, feeling good, feeling good. All right, let me position this back down again. onto the grill, and I shall be back shortly with the next round. Okay, hang tight, guys. Welcome back, everybody. I am just finishing glazing these chicken breasts. If I didn't say it before, I told you, I do tell you that I season these with seasoning salt, and garlic powder, and let them set for about a half an hour. And the barbecue sauce that I'm using is a brown sugar and hickory sauce. And the chicken is almost done. Voila, looks beautiful. We'll close that lid and we'll let it go for a little bit longer. And boy, do we got a storm coming in. I don't know how long it's going to last, like I said, but it's starting to get louder. All right, give me a couple minutes and we'll pull this off the grill. Hang on. All right, I'm here. We're getting ready to pull this chicken off this grill. And I wanted to point out this little pan right here that I do. This is something I started doing. I don't know why and what made me think of it, but this is the pan that I got, the container I got from the store that the chicken was in. So I took out the chicken, I trimmed the chicken, I washed and sanitized the tray, and I put the marinated chicken on the tray to carry out here to put on the grill. And then once I had the chicken on the grill, I went back inside and I washed and sanitized it again, and I put a little foil around it to help hold for the heat. And when I'm done, I can put the chicken on the tray and take it in the house that way and serve it like that. And then you can recycle the aluminum foil, boom, and the other pan just goes in the trash, and you just dirtied a container. You did not dirty a container that you have to wash when you're done. So the cleanup's a little bit easier. But boom, here it is, guys. Very gooey goodness. Yum yum. Set that chicken right there. Get it off the grill. Oh yeah. And I beat the storm. I don't think by very long. I figured it was going to be pouring by the time I got this chicken off the grill. But it's not. Oh, this looks so good. Now, just for a little heads up, so we're going to make meals out of these, like I said. And I'm going to take a couple of these breasts and I'm going to dice them up for tomorrow's omelet, and I'm going to make barbecued chicken omelets with sauteed mushrooms and onions and provolone cheese with a couple slices of avocado on top. So stay tuned for that video. You guys have a wonderful night, and the ones that don't have to work tomorrow, I hope you have a finish your weekend really good, and I will talk at you guys later. Have a good night. Thanks, guys.